What the hell happened to my 560s? I know I'm not alone in this, because there's been a few of you that said your 560s are really loose too. Now, it doesn't matter which one you have. I have two. They're both ridiculously loose. Look at how much wiggle room this has. And this one isn't as bad as this one. Look at this one. Look, you can even hear it. I even had a friend at the shop open this up and see if there was anything broken. Nothing was broken in it. I may have used both of these a handful of times. 10 to 15 battles with this one. Maybe like 5 to 10 with this one. And they are super loose. We got our beat Tyranno right here. We're going to put our 560. And look. Look how loose that is. It almost comes off. See? Even when you put the bit in, it's still... That's still way more loose than it should be. Even with this 560, it's still loose. Just to show you how loose this is, which is ridiculous. It's probably faulty. Maybe every 560 is faulty, because with the amount of people that have said their 560 is also loose is ridiculous. We'll put this in without the bit. Look. Now we'll put the 360 in. Look. That bad boy is hardly moving. It moves maybe what, 2-3 centimeters? And then let's take it back to the 560 again. That is ridiculous. We'll put the bit in. Now we will put the 360 in with the point. And look. Bro, doesn't move at all. The only solution I've found, because like I said, I've had a friend open both of these and try to tighten them. There was nothing wrong inside. We just have to get a new claw Leon to get our 560. New one, old one. We're gonna shake the old one first. Crazy. Okay, new one. It sounds completely different, right? That's crazy. Okay, we're putting the new one in. Although it's not moving as much, let's try putting the bit in. Oh yeah, that thing is solid. You see how it's not hardly moving at all? Look at that. Now let's put the old one back in, just for reference. Yeah, that is crazy. So, unfortunately, maybe after 10 or so battles, your 560 is done. So, I'm going to be doing some playtesting with my wife a little bit later, and we'll see if this 560 holds up or if it'll be trash, just like its predecessor. Let me know if 560 has been giving you a hard time. Okay, I stand corrected. My wife is busy at the moment, and I really want to do this. So, I'm going to have to launch it myself. We're going to do 10 launches, 10 battles, and see if the new 560 holds up. And we're going to put him up against a heavy hitter, Thor Phoenix. So you know it's not going to be no light attacks. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! That was a good hit. Three, two, one, let it rip! 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Oh! That's 3. 3 launches. Quit dancing around each other. Three, 2, 1, let it rip! This is 4 launches. I don't want to lose track. 3, 2, 1, limit break. Oh! 3, 2, 1, limit break. 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 Last launch. 3, 2, 1, limit break. Let's see how the 560 held up. So far, it still looks pretty tight as it was when I first opened it. So maybe I just got a faulty 560. Maybe there's a bunch of faulty 560s out there. But yeah, I'm going to be using this at my next tournament. So after the tournament will be the real test to see if I got a good 560 or if I got another faulty one. Stay tuned, guys.